Hi kids, it's Gigi and Papa.
Hi.
And we are in the deep freeze of the South. So why not make some homemade pizza dough?
Absolutely.
So here I have 3 cups of bread flour and 2 teaspoons of salt. And I've just mixed that together. So this is all gonna go in my stand mixer. This is the first time I've ever done it with my stand mixer, so this will be a learning experience for all of us. Okay. Then I have 1.5 cups of water. I have 1 packet of yeast and a teaspoon and a half of sugar. And this has been sitting about 12 minutes. I'll pour that in here. Everybody in the pool. A good rule of thumb when you're making any kind of, whether it be bread dough, pizza dough, is if you have 2 cups of water, you're going to start with 4 cups of flour. So that'll kind of give you some kind of a guide. I'll turn this on. We have the dough hook attachment. Let's see how it's looking.
So you do double the flour versus the water, right?
Correct. Or the milk.
Or the milk.
Yep. Okay, so now you can see that the dough is looking very, it's not firm enough. So I'm going to go on about 3/4 cup of flour. And I'm just going in this time with some all-purpose. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here with my spatula. I'm just going to go and scrape down the sides. And I think we're pretty good on flour now. And I'm just going to let this mix for about 5 minutes. And then we'll see what the dough looks like. Okay, and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of good olive oil. But if you don't have olive oil, you can use whatever oil that you have. Just keeps your bread dough, your pizza dough more moist. So it's not super dry. So we're going to mix this about 5 minutes and we'll look at it again. Okay, so here we go. And I ended up using 4.5 cups of water. I meant flour.
4.5 cups of flour to 1.5 cups of water due to the climate where we're at right now, because
it has a lot to do whenever you're baking and anything like that. And when the weather is kind of rainy or yucky outside, it plays a role in how your dough and your pastries and stuff are going to turn out. So here we have our dough. See how it lifts right out? That's how you know that it's done. And it kind of has just a tad bit stickiness to it, but it feels like just a good soft dough, and that's what you want. But see, it's barely sticking to my hands. So I have this clean bowl over here that I had the flour in.
and she put a little oil
In there, just everyday vegetable oil. And we're gonna just fold this up, and we're gonna let it take a nap for about an hour, hour and a half, and we'll be back.
She's got the light on in the oven.
Yep.
She don't have the oven on, but just the light, and she'll put it in the oven and let it rise for a little while.
Yes.
And we'll be back. Thank y'all. Here we go.
Oh. Her dough's been in there for about an hour and a half.
And look at
It's
that.
very, very pretty.
Very nice.
Oh, I like it. Very pretty.
It's about an hour and a half in the oven. The oven not on, just the light.
Right, just the light.
We've got some ingredients here.
I've got 2 different types of pepperoni. This is the kind that comes in a little red box. This is the deli. Slice this up. This is regular Parmesan that I grated, or mozzarella that I grated up myself. Cut up 2 small red peppers and a half of an onion, and this is fresh mozzarella.
We're gonna have us a homemade pizza, y'all.
Forget Domino's and Pizza Hut.
We're gonna have us
Some homemade pizza. We don't need Domino's or Pizza Hut. We're gonna have Gigi and Papa.
That's right.
So we're gonna split this into 2.
There we go.
Yeah, looks pretty. So pretty that dough looks. Very nice. So make it a little circle.
Just put a little flour out on the counter.
And then this is going to go in the refrigerator for another day, or I'll end up freezing it for when the grandkids come over or something like that. Could make pizzas.
Pepperoni rolls or
Something.
Yep.
Yep. we can do that as well. Put over there for right now. And I have to get my rolling pin.
We hope everyone's having a blessed day, a wonderful day.
Happy day.
Yep, happy day. Safe and happy and healthy, and got to spend time with your family. We just figured we'd make us a pizza this evening
And share it with y'all.
and share it with you. Kiki's forming our pizza dough here.
Trying to.
I'm waiting for her to throw it in the air,
Mm-hmm.
like I see him do it on TV.
Sure. Not this. Okay, we have the pizza crust all rolled out. Just roll it up on your rolling pin and place it on your sheet pan or your pizza pan. And I'm just gonna kind of form mine the way where my pan is.
We're gonna have a sheet pan pizza.
We are, and I'm gonna make this a stuffed crust. Let's see how that turns out. And if your dough should rip like mine just did, just take your finger and press it together, and you just press your dough out into your pan.
Yep.
Okay, so here we have our crust. I let it rest about another 10-15 minutes, and I put some string cheese in the freezer.
Mozzarella string cheese.
Yep. I'm gonna put. Let's see, I guess I'm gonna do. I guess I better cut these up, Papa, or break them in half. There we go. That'll
There
work.
you go.
I'm gonna do, I guess,
We're gonna have stuffed crust.
1.5 over here, 1.5 over here,
And
and 1.5 over here.
there you go.
Do it like that. I guess I should have done more. I didn't realize. I guess I can put 2 over here on the big side.
And we got the oven preheated at 400.
Yes, sir.
Actually, with the pizza, you can do it. Homemade pizza, you can set your oven at like 500 if you want it crispier. With me just having my
Oral surgery.
oral
Yeah.
surgery, I have to have my crust
On the softer
on
side.
the soft side, correct. So Gigi is rolling it up.
This is, again, I've never done this before. So why not try something new?
Absolutely.
So I'm just going to come through and
Yep.
roll these up. I love good stuffed crust pizza. Tuck those in like that. And do this side.
It's just that easy.
I hope it's good, Papa.
That dough smells awesome. Look. Our sheet pan pizza.
Yep.
And that will, yeah, perfect.
Take it like that.
All right.
And I'm just going to use some good old fashioned,
Some sauce.
some sauce, some sauce. Spread it out like this. A little bit more.
Perfect.
I think that looks about good, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Get your sauce. You can put as much or as little as you'd like on your pizza. At the end of the day, this is made with love, so
So
we know it's going to
let's
turn
see.
out great.
I think I'm gonna go down with a little
Yep,
bit
some
of this
cheese.
cheese.
She
Sprinkle
grated
this
some
in.
mozzarella.
Some
That's what's good about making homemade pizza or making homemade anything. You can add as much as you want or as little as you want.
and I am an extra cheese kind of gal.
Yep.
And then,
So we went in with a little bit of mozzarella.
so this is just from the little red box that we can all get at Dollar General or
Wherever, Walmart or wherever, grocery store.
sometimes Dollar Tree or Kroger, Publix, whatever.
Yep.
And then this is the sandwich pepperoni.
And she cut those up.
These are the big circles, but I like them cut up into strips.
And you can add mushrooms.
Oh, sugar. We have some mushrooms.
We got some mushrooms?
Yes, sir.
Good. We'll put some on it. Mushrooms, you can do olives, you can do
How about mushrooms?
whatever you'd like. Let us get some mushrooms out. Alrighty, we got the mushrooms out now.
Yay.
So we're gonna put some mushrooms.
So this is actually basically a supreme pizza.
Well, we ain't got no meats. Ain't got no
We-
sausage. We ain't got no,
There's 2 different kinds of pepperoni there, boss.
yeah, we ain't got no sausage.
Well, I'm okay without sausage.
Okay.
I could just do a vegetarian,
You
but
could use olives,
could.
green olives,
If I had
black
green
olives.
olives, I'd probably put green olives on here. And then, my favorite,
Yep, and then fill it up with some mozzarella.
some fresh mozzarella.
Mm-hmm.
Like it really needs any more cheese, right? Oh boy.
It's got cheese around the outside, cheese on the inside, cheese on the bottom, cheese on top. Listen, but it's made with love. You can do it however you'd like.
That's right.
And we'll show you what it looks like here in a few.
Yes, sir.
Well, we're gonna bake it probably 20 minutes.
I'm gonna start at 15 and check it, and we'll go from there.
Alrighty, we'll see y'all.
Looking good.
Alright, after what, 17 minutes? 17 minutes in the oven. That's our finished product. Look at that right there. Would you?
It looks really, really good.
We're gonna let it cool for a minute.
And then
look,
here I have-
Gigi's made us some garlic butter.
It's just a half a stick
That's
of
some
butter,
chives.
some parsley, some garlic powder, and why not?
Absolutely.
Kind of snowed and iced in, so
Yep. Why not? There you go. That's our finished
Yummy.
product at Gigi and Pawpaw's.
wish that you were here to eat with us.
Yep. We hope everyone has a blessed day and safe, warm, and well. And
Please give us a subscribe,
like. comment. Just thank you again for taking your time to watch it, and keep an eye out because we'll be cooking something else. Have a great day, y'all.
Bye, kids.